Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. It's time to plan. Hope everyone is doing well. I hope everybody's getting going with their Christmas crafting, Christmas shopping, being safe, and just ready to have a happy holiday season. We're now into December. I'm planning for the week of the 29th through the 5th, and I gotta get ready. I'm enjoying my Christmas crafting. I'm just having fun. I made a few cards that I'm going to share in the video. Got most of them made, so I think it's, time to share. I only got a couple more to make, and I'll probably share those ones afterwards, but I'll show you what I've been up to. But let me start with this. I'm going to be using the Seasons of Color book. You know how I love these flowers that they have. They have this whole poinsettia thing going on in this book. They got some just beautiful, beautiful flowers. And Christmas flowers, the poinsettia and everything like that is just a beautiful flowers. So I want to put those down there. Ah, don't they look good? I have to get my my Christmas items out of my closet and get them up. So I have plans to do that this weekend. Has everybody else gotten their tree up and all that stuff? And if you don't have it up now, like how soon after Thanksgiving do you actually put your tree up? Like how soon after Thanksgiving do you put your tree up? That's the big question. Because I usually try to wait till like a week after Thanksgiving and then put my tree up. But I'm so excited about getting it all done that, I'm ready to put my stuff up now. I'm just ready to do it now. But I gotta work and I gotta get my stuff done at work. So I probably won't do it to the weekend and get a chance to test my lights and make sure my lights are working so I can, the best invention that they made for me, in my opinion, are web lights. And the reason I'm saying that is because the web lights, I like how you can just throw the web lights, go out to your spot, throw those web lights right on that tree, on your bushes and stuff, and you're done. And you're just done. So I like that. I'm thinking that's the best thing that you could possibly do. And I'm going to put this flower, it's going to cover up my Monday, but I don't care because I know it's Monday. Because I just love that. I just love this look with the poinsettias and everything like that. And I just love a good poinsettia myself. So I'm just going to put these poinsettias right over those, the Monday, Tuesday. I don't really need it anyway. I know Monday, Tuesday. Ooh, I like how this looks. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, I'm so thrilled by this. I'm loving it. I'm loving how this is looking. And I'm going to put because I need some more lines. So, I thought I was going to get away with not being so crooked, but let me get that straight for you. And so just going to get my Christmas stuff out. I found a couple of things and I put my candles out on the mantle, so I got those guys all out already, and I'm really I'm liking how that's looking, and I so badly want to get the rest of the stuff out and go, oh, get it all out, Jay, get it all out, but I can't. I gotta wait for the weekend. And this page, to me, yes, this says beginning of December, get those flowers out, get those poinsettias out. And I had gone to Joann's, and Joanne had her some of the poinsettias, you know, the fake ones that they have. She had some of those fake ones on sale there, the ones with the frosted, the red frosted ones. You know what? I didn't like those at first, but after I saw them up close, I'm like, I gotta have those. So I got a couple of those to put at my, I have a little table down here as you come through my front door, and I want to put those there. So I'm going to put those poinsettias there on that table as you come in the front door. As you come in the front door. So I'm going to put those there and get that all fixed up and pretty there. And I'm really, really, you know, happy about that, because I'm like, oh, so I gotta get the whole house dusted up, and I got myself get it all dusted up and everything like that, and get it all ready. So I'm like, oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for the Christmas season. I'm not excited about, like, I never get excited about gifts or anything like that, but I don't really care about, you know, if I get a lot of gifts or anything like that. The thing that thrills me the most is the fact that it's that time where you get to just be peaceful, and you stop and you think about other people other than yourselves. Because even if you're going out shopping for gifts, or you're online doing gifts, you're not thinking so much about yourself as you do that. You're thinking about the other people in your life, and what you can do for them, and what you're getting from there, and how great it's going to make them feel, and is this something they're going to like, or something like that. I think that's why I'm not too into like a gift card or anything like that. I know my daughter would love a good gift card, but I like to always find something for her, and something special for her. And I gotta get going, because I wanted to do the 12 days of Christmas for her. We did that before, and I wanted to do that for her again. Oh, that's all of them. That's all the holiday ones. Oh man, I need more holiday. I need more poinsettias in there. They don't give me many poinsettias in there. I'm like, oh man, I need some more poinsettias. But they don't give me that many in the book. They, you know, I guess they say a season, they give you about 5 or 6 of them. You should be happy. This one says winter, and I'm going to put it right here because, oh my goodness, has it been cold here. Oh, I like how that looks, though. I like how that looks. Let me see what else I can do. I think some greenery, because you always got to have Christmas greenery, some greenery. So let's throw some greenery right there. And see if I can throw another one of these boxes here. I'm liking the boxes because the lines in the boxes are gold foil like. So I gotta find me another poinsettia type thing to put there. But I don't seem to have one. I think I'm gonna have to go a little bit off color and put this there. I like the look of that. It's a little off color, it's a little blue. I don't know if I'm liking that blue. Let me flip a little bit and see if I can find, oh, shoot, blue, come back up, come back up. Come back up, my blue friend. My pages got stuck together and I saw another poinsettia here. So, let's just throw this there, like that. Ah, that's showing, but that's okay. It just kind of peeks out there. There. Woo! I am so liking this. I don't think I need to do much else. Do you guys think I need to do much else to this? I don't think so. I don't think so. I think I'm liking what I have here. Let me see how they look together. I think I like what I have here. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Tell me what you think about this, you guys. Let me see if I can get you down to it a little bit. Tell me what you think about it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And if you don't have this book, Seasons of Color, you might want to go back and check out my flip through with this. I'll try to post it down at the bottom if I remember before I get this posted, because I'm trying to get it up. It's been taking so long for everything to load up. So this is my spread for the week. I'm getting ready for the holiday season. I'm going to try to put Christmassy stuff for the whole month. Try to get it going. Merriest season of all. Please, everybody, enjoy your Christmas. Enjoy getting prepared for Christmas. Enjoy all your Christmas crafting. Enjoy whatever holiday you celebrate. Just enjoy this season. Let's just say happy season to everybody. Enjoy the season. Take some time off. Be with your family. Stay safe. Love you guys. Be the reason somebody smiles. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye now.